Hey guys, I want to do a quick unboxing of this SB360 SoundBot Bluetooth adapter for your car. You can see here it comes with the auxiliary input, 3.5mm stereo cable, and then it comes with a smart car charger. It's got 3 USB ports on it, 2.1 amps, 2 amps, and then 1 amp. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. This is your standard adapter that you would get almost everywhere for a car. So it's got you can see here's the adapter, here's your auxiliary in that goes into your dash or wherever you have your auxiliary input port. And let's go ahead and pop this guy open. So there we go, there's the SoundBot little adapter. It's got your forward and backwards button, so it's forward, reverse, pause. And then inside here we've got the cable, plugs into the USB port. There's your stereo adapter. And then what I really like about this is it comes with a clip. So you can use this clip to put it on your lapel when you're talking instead of having it attached to the dash. But if you want, you can go ahead and attach this to the dash with the 3M tape on the back here. And then you've got an extra one here. So really inexpensive. I like this brand. I've had good luck with this brand before. I'll put a link down below in the description to where you can get this. But really nice, cheap product. Thanks, guys.